Do you have any problem with the government or any issue with any government office or an institute and you want to complain this to the government, especially Imran Khan, directly? Yes, you can do this. In today's video, I'm going to tell about such application that is launched by Imran Khan for the public, through which you can contact them and tell you about your problems you are facing. So if you want to know this application, you have to watch this video. So Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Advertise Sheikh. Let's begin. So guys, the name of the application is PCP, Pakistan Citizens Portal. The purpose of this application is clear, that Imran Khan want to know the problems, the issues that are faced by the common people or other people living in Pakistan. So in order to know them, he created this application just a few days before. So as you know, in Pakistan, the people who have power do their work quickly, while the poor person who are powerless cannot get their work. They go from office to office, they request to people, but no one listens to them. So Imran Khan has created this application. It's kind of support for the poor people. So now I'm going to show you its interface, that how can you enter your data, how can you use it. So if you want to download this application, its link is in the description. Click on it, you can download. So guys, as soon you will download it and you will open the application, you will get such interface. So in which you have to write your username, your password if you have your account already. But if you are new user, then you have to create on the click on the create account. So as you will click on it, then a new page will be open. Where you have to write your full name, your gender, your date of birth, your NIC number, your passport number, and your city, country, etc. So when you do next, then you will then a new page will be open, where you will select that from which country you are belonging. If you are Pakistani and living in Pakistan, then you will click on alien citizen. If you are Pakistani but living in another country, then you will click on overseas Pakistani. If you are a foreigner and are not Pakistani, then you will click on a foreigner. So when you open it, if you have a complaint, then you have to select the category to which it belongs. So if you have complaint with the municipal service, we click on it. If law and order, education, with any school or any hospital, there's health, any communication, energy and power, land revenue, and human rights. If you have complaint related to any of them, you can click on it. So when you will go, when there will be also such interface where it will show you how many complaints you have total, how many are resolved, and how many are in progress. So the good thing about this application is this: when you will register your complaint, about 4,000 government offices are linked with this application, and your problem will be solved within 10 days or 15 days, means quickly. But Imran Khan has said, if the problem will not be solved by them within the time, then it will be sent to the higher government offices, and if they will not solve it, then problem will be given to me, and I myself will be doing it. So this is a very great thing done by Imran Khan for the common people. Here you can also write your feedback, that was your problem resolved, and was it good solution or not, and you can also rate it by 5 stars, 4 stars, something like this. So this is a very great step by Imran Khan. He said, as he has said, it is now Pakistan, so it is a new step to it. So if you want to download this application, the link is in the description. You can click on it, and if you have any complaint, I hope so you must have, okay, so you can download it and click on create an account, and you can register your complaint, and yes, you can get it. But the thing is that it is available in its beta version. This application has some bugs still, because it is made within Pakistan, not made by a foreign perfect company. So this is made by some few engineers from Punjab. So still it has some bugs. So it will be updated soon, and the bugs will be removed. But now you can download it, you can use it. But there will be some problems, that when you will write your phone number, it will say it is not, it has some bug, you can try again, like something like this. But yes, you can download it now and you can use it. There will be some few problems, okay. So there's the application, Pakistan Citizen Portal. I hope you like the video or you get a lot of information. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, and if you want to share this video, you can share with your friends and tell them about this great opportunity for them. So that's for today. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.